Benvenuti a Roma. Welcome to Rome, the city where I was born, where every street feels like a story and every corner art, history, and beauty. This season, Dolce Gabbana captured that spirit, the soul of Rome, in their newest collection. Let's take a look.
Let's talk about Dolce Gabbana Alta Moda 2025. Presented at Il Foro Romano, this collection is inspired by ancient Rome, mythology, and classic cinema. Let's break down a few of the stories, starting with jewel-toned look, where loom-draped silk chiffon panels come together to form a fan-like structured silhouette inspired by the Cinecittà divas of the 1950s. In a more literal take on ancient Rome, these gilded brass armor bodices contrast goddess-like draped fabric. Here we see a representation of some of Rome's landmarks, such as the Trinità dei Monti, high collar flowing cape gown. These rich brocade fabrics came in somewhat regal, relaxed silhouettes. And what says opulence better than intricate floor-length coats? This piece showcases the Fontana di Trevi down to every detail, including dozens of shades of chiffon to represent the fountain's water. And in a more theatrical take, these marble statue-like forms emerge from beneath layers of white draped fabric. The details here are absolutely exquisite. It is feminine, form-hugging, sculptural, and a true expression of artisanal craft. Even the most jeweled-up looks aren't pared back. Instead, they're styled with signature alta joielleria pieces that amplify the overall splendor of the collection. And lastly, the closing story, showcasing a modern take on body armor, contrasted with full skirts that illustrate historical paintings, as if saying, this is where past meets present. The level of craft here is undeniable, but these one-of-a-kind pieces go far beyond the tangible. They are a celebration of history and artisanal craftsmanship passed down through generations. And while some of it leans into the theatrical, it is absolutely beautiful to see.
There is something timeless about Rome. It teaches you that style isn't just what you wear, it's who you are. That same philosophy is what I teach inside Fashion Premier Academy. How to design not just with skill, but with soul. So if you're ready to create your own story in fashion, start your journey there. Here's the link below. And remember, design your future. Be a future designer. Ciao.